In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a mystery gift code in Pokémon Champions. Before you begin, make sure you've completed the game's tutorial. The mystery gift feature only becomes available after you finish the introductory section. Once you're on the main menu, open the submenu. Next, scroll down until you find the Mystery Gifts option and tap on it. You'll now see a field where you can enter your mystery gift code. Carefully type in the code and then select Confirm to redeem it. If the code is valid, you'll see a message confirming that your reward has been successfully redeemed. After that, return to the main menu and open your mailbox. Your mystery gift reward will be waiting there for you to claim. Simply select the gift and collect your reward. Make sure to redeem any available codes before they expire, as mystery gift rewards are often only available for a limited time. And that's it. That's how you can redeem a mystery gift code in Pokémon Champions and claim your free rewards. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tutorials.